In the world of Pokémon, some creatures command attention through raw strength. Others remain almost unseen, relying instead on intelligence, emotion, and control of energy. One such Pokémon is Gardevoir. This rare psychic and fairy-type Pokémon is known for its elegant appearance and extraordinary sensitivity to its surroundings. Its body is not designed for brute force. Instead, Gardevoir relies on precision, focus, and the power of the mind. Gardevoir's most remarkable ability is its mastery of psychic energy. It can distort space, generate protective barriers, and sense danger long before a threat becomes visible. Researchers believe Gardevoir perceives emotions as clearly as physical signals, allowing it to react with remarkable accuracy. In the wild, Gardevoir is rarely encountered. It prefers quiet forests and mountainous regions, far from human activity. These Pokémon avoid unnecessary conflict and reveal their true power only when there is no other choice. The bond between Gardevoir and its trainer is considered one of the deepest in the Pokémon world. Observations suggest that Gardevoir will willingly risk its own life to protect someone it fully trusts, creating defensive fields of immense strength. Gardevoir reminds us that true power is not always visible. Sometimes it exists in compassion, self-control, and the choice to protect rather than destroy.